Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a Google Cloud project and enabling billing so resources can be provisioned. Once done, install the Google Cloud SDK and run gcloud in it to authenticate and set your default project and region. Next, create a cloud storage bucket, choosing location and storage class deliberately, multi-region for low latency, nearline for cheaper archiving. You're taking these steps now so later operations inherit the correct project, region, and permissions. This prevents access and cost surprises later. You'll upload data using gsutil CP or the console. Try a small file first to confirm paths and permissions. While uploading, assign IAM roles like Storage Object Viewer and Storage Admin carefully. Least privilege reduces risk. Enable object versioning if you need recoverability, and set default KMS encryption keys for compliance. Then create lifecycle rules to move older objects to cold classes or delete them automatically. This optimizes cost while keeping retrieval policies predictable, so storage stays manageable as you scale. You now validate by downloading test objects and exercising access patterns, including signed URLs for temporary access and service accounts for server-side reads. Make sure logging and cloud monitoring capture transfer errors and cost spikes. Set alerts for unusual egress or permission failures. Finally, implement backups or exports to a second bucket or region and document recovery steps so you can restore quickly. If something goes wrong, check IAM policies first. Most failures stem from a missing role or wrong service account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.